Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This elegant beauty sits in the quiet, upscale community of Twickenham Heights, St. Catherine, and was designed with ultimate care and attention to detail. Solid mahogany doors and stair rails add to the warmth and charm of this split-level home, spanning over 4,700 square feet. The lot itself is over 13,000 square feet. The home features 4 bedrooms with bathrooms en suite, bay windows, and walk-in closets, breakfast room, formal dining room, sunken living room, an office, laundry area, helper's quarters, garage, and a quaint, picturesque, and cozy gazebo to enjoy those lazy Sundays or balmy evening breezes. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 63 million or US $409.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.